Assalamu alaikum, peace and blessings be upon you all. How are you guys? Okay, as you can see, today's product is from Dawood. The previous, I think this is his 15th launch. His product now it's called Wombat Wealth. It's a crazy name for sure. So, what is this Wombat Wealth is all about? As you can see, you could have guessed it by the name there at the top. It's basically the idea of the product is when you buy this product, you're going to get a free version of this product to give it away. So what is the idea behind it? The idea behind it is like in order to build your email list. That's the main goal of the product. Is you buying this product which has like few things here. You can see this: build a large email list. You're going to get a free landing page and like a membership website which you can join, and also you can plug in your autoresponder, and the free traffic trading as well. So the idea, the whole concept of this product is you are going to give away this product which you're buying now, like this Wombat Wealth. If you end up buying, you're going to get approval for a free link for this product itself, and you're going to give it away for the people. Like, you're basically you're giving free in exchange for the email ID. But the best part of that is you're going to give away only the front end. But any funnel, when you buy through, you go through a funnel, right? You have like upsell, downsell, all those OTOs. In case the people who sign up under you for the free version of this product, when they go through the funnel, when they buy it, you get like 100% of that commission. It's like full commission. Like it's like it is like full resale rights you have of this product. You're gonna get like full commission, not like 50% of the product. Like how I'm promoting this product, I'm entitled to 40-50% kind of thing. But when you get like a resale right, you're basically getting 100% product, 100% commission of the entire product. So that's the whole concept of this product is. So let's go through this. This is a sales page. You can see this: buy this product, then make money giving it away. That's the concept. Is you're gonna get the free version when you buy this product. You're gonna get like a free link or a free version link of this product, which you're gonna give it away for free. But the upsells and downsells, which you it's like around four. I'll show you what are the upsells and stuff. When they go through it, when they buy it, and you're gonna get like the full commission. That's like you have full resale rights of this product. So that's the idea behind it. That's like a simple concept. It's nothing like this is a sales page of his earnings and stuff. So you can see this: what you're gonna get is a free version of this product, that is Wombat Wealth, and step by step, easy to follow videos, guaranteed approval. That he's gonna give you approval for this product, and advanced strategies. This is what it is: free squeeze pages, and you're gonna like a membership site, landing pages, and how to drive traffic to these. You need to drive traffic to these landing pages, which will take them to the free version. So you get the link, you get like whether they buy the upsells or not, you're going to get the email ID upfront. So basically you are building an email list, and in future you're going to like promote like any offers to them. That's the whole concept of it, building the email list. And of course, in case if they buy the upsells, you're going to get full commission, not like 50% or so, full 100%. That's the whole concept of this product. Let's jump on to the product itself. Just show you the membership area, what it looks like. So this is what it is. You can see this. Let's go one by one little. Okay, so this is like the training part, the front thing, and then this comes your the main concept, main training. As soon as you get it, you're going to apply for the giveaway. Like that, this product, the main idea is you're going to, as soon as you apply it, you're going to get that. After buying it, you had to go and apply here. You're going to get that free link from Warrior Plus, and then you just going to be shown a membership site. It's going to be free as well. The reason why about this membership site is it's just not that you're going to give away this Wombat Wealth, this product, and you're going to get commissions from the upsells if they buy, but also he has added this extra membership site through which it is free to join. But that website has like 4 to 5 programs, like 5 or 6 recurring income streams, like free landing page builder, all those stuffs. So what happens is that when people join under you, you get like recurring commissions. Like for you, it is free to join. For them, like when they join, they have like they'll be presented with these offers. When that is a good chance that you're gonna, if they sign up for that, you're gonna get like a recurring income. So that's also has been added there. And setting up your free site, that's this site here, and then funnel builder, which he talks about. Then mail using the free traffic and advanced tactics. This is like just not giving away like, because even though you're going to give away this for free, the most important problem is the traffic. You need to drive traffic to this for people to give away, right? To take this Wombat Wild. That's where this tactics are really good. Mailing using the free tactics and advanced tactics. This is what it is. And also, what I liked it is this year, which is giving away this one of the bonuses, Tiger's Traffic, which is his own product, which talks about 10 of his own like free methods to drive traffic. It doesn't talk about paid traffic, it talks about free traffic. Of course, you can do your own way of driving traffic, but he always concentrates on free traffic. So he talks about that one, this Tiger's Traffic, which is his own product, which drives like which teaches you about 10 ways of free traffic, driving traffic through free traffic. So that's the idea behind that one, and also of other products. Anyway, so the idea is simple concept. As soon as you get the product, you're going to get a free link for this own product, which is Wombat Wealth. And people who buy it through a link, they're going to go through this entire training. But the best part is this one. This is what I was talking about. When they go through this upsells here, you're gonna get like when they buy it, you're gonna get a full 100%, not 50%. You're gonna like a full 100%, like a resale rights. You have this for the product. So when they buy this, let's go through that prices. But anyway, I'm just giving you. They have like they will be going through five of these funnels. They'll be going through each funnel. Although they get the front end free, they'll be going through this 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these funnels. And when they end up buying, you're gonna get full 100%. That's the added plus point of giving away this free product. Of course you're gonna get the email, so that itself is a big thing. You're gonna promote them in the future offers. That's the one thing. And this is like if they buy, it's an added bonus for you. That's the whole concept of this product. Let's show you the price of this so you get an idea what you're talking about. The front end is $10, $9.95, which is you're gonna get it. And also you're getting like a free version. That's a resale price. You're gonna give away this for free. So this is like you're also going to go through the same funnel, which the people whom you're going to give away for free also going to go through the same funnel. Okay, that's what it is. So the $37 is upsell, which you're going to get on the front end. You're going to get only one membership site, free website. But here he gives you that option to join his own 25. Dawood's journey of affiliate marketing started with membership site, and he built like a massive email list through membership sites. So that's one of his. Many people don't do that, but that's one of his secrets, how we grown up to this level. Like it's just 2 years, I think 1.5 years or so, and he's already reached like 25,000 per month. So that's how he has grown. It started launching. This is his 15th product. So that's the idea of you'll be getting like 10 of more of the membership sites. That's like if you want to go for that. And then you have this his traffic package, which is for $197. There's a downsell as well. And then we have like reseller rights of this product. And also not just this one, okay, that's cool. So it's, of course, you're going to get the resale free link to give away. What is the special of this is you're going to get the paid version of the Wombat. Like normally in the front end, you're going to get the free version. This is the paid version. And 4 more of Dawood's best-selling products, these previous products you're going to get. Okay, that's cool. Okay, and then this is like a huge package of his mega traffic package. So that is like $197. Get 10 solo ads of the entire network. Okay, and also the last one is the $997 package. You know what is this $997? If you've gone through his few of his products, when you're a newbie and you're a beginner, and if you want to go straight into launching products or join with people like him, you get this $997 option. So what happens is that you get to join with this next product, because every month or every 3 weeks or so he keeps launching his new products. So you get to join with him and launch his products, and you get to share with them all the whatever it is, like leads and all those stuff. So that's what this launch partnership thing to launch a product with Dawood. It's like, if you're really serious, then you can think about that. I also wanted to launch a product, but I'm not really ready for it. As you guys know, like I'm more into YouTube review, and I have these products. You can see that at the back. I'm also into local Amazon selling products here. So I have like fully packed up with what I'm doing. So in case, this is how you need to join. If you really wanted to launch a product, this is how you learn from them. When you wanted to launch something, it is good to go with somebody of that nature, like who was already an experience, so you get to learn things from them, and then in future you can launch your own product rather than joining together. That's how I have seen many of the people, newbies, they join and learn from these experts, and then they launch their new products in the future. So this is like a good way to kickstart your, if you really wanted to go and start your launch your info product, this could be the way. Anyway, for now, for you, I think front end is good enough. But if you really want to see, if you want to check out the other OTOs, like if you're serious enough, even if you're not buying in the front end now, always I say you can always go back to the membership area. It's going to be there. You can always come back and buy, because this one membership side you're getting free on the front end, and the pro version you're gonna get like 25 of them. Like you get more options to spread out your ads and stuff and drive traffic. That's why this will be more membership side will be useful, but it's totally optional. That's it, guys. That's Wombat Wealth for you. If you like it, you can click it through my link. That's my affiliate link. I do get commission when you buy it through. I do get like a 50%, like if you're $9, like $5 or so. But that's like, even with the other upsells which you showed you, this is what the difference is. When you buy it, when you promote this product, this Wombat Wealth free version, when somebody buys through the link, you get like 100%, like, you know what I mean? That's the plus point of having this free version, like, I mean, resale rights. Sorry. So that's what it is. So if you buy through my link, I have added some bonuses as well. All these bonuses will be delivered instantly to on the front end. You can see, sorry, on the Access Affiliate bonus section on the Warrior Plus in the purchase area. After that, you'll be able to get all these bonuses. I think that's it. I think, yeah, that's interesting product. Actually, normally people do give away products. I've seen some products come before which you get the free version to give away, but the upsells are like you're getting like 100%. That's like extra thing. Even if they don't buy, the main aim of the product is to build your email list, so you can future promote your products to them. That's it, guys. Thanks a lot for your time. See you in the next one. Bye.